90% of car owners don't know these car features inside the owned cars. But here's the kick. One of them could save you thousands of dollars in repair, yet you probably ignore it. Before you waste any money, here are the 3 secret car features no one knows exist. Save money by not skipping. Let's dive in. Secret number 3. Breathe fresh air with the help of a button. Ever been stuck in traffic behind a diesel truck, belching black smoke? That special button on your dashboard with the little car and circular arrow isn't just for decoration. It's your personal air quality guardian. That's right. Your car's recirculation button is basically a force field against pollution, exhaust fumes, and that mysterious farm smell on country roads. With one press, your vehicle instantly stops pulling in outside air and instead recirculates the clean air already inside your cabin. Not only does this keep those nasty pollutants out of your lungs, but it also dramatically improves your AC efficiency by up to 20% in extreme heat. That means cooler temperatures faster and less strain on your system. The science is actually pretty simple, but incredibly effective. When activated, the recirculation system closes off the external air intake vents and creates a closed loop of air circulation inside your vehicle. This is particularly valuable when you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic or driving through areas with poor air quality like construction zones or heavily polluted urban centers. What's even more impressive is how this simple feature can actually extend the life of your cabin air filter by reducing the amount of contaminants it needs to trap. That means fewer replacements and more money in your pocket. Next time you see that little recirculation icon, remember it's not just a button. It's your first line of defense against the invisible pollution army waiting outside your windows. Secret number 2. Key fob brain hack. Ever wandered around a parking lot clicking your key fob like a maniac? Here's a mind-blowing trick the dealership definitely didn't tell you about. Your head is actually a signal booster. That's right. Pressing your key fob against your skull can extend its range from 30 feet to over 85 feet. The water in your brain acts as a conductor for those electromagnetic waves, amplifying your fob's signal. Science doesn't get more practical than that. And while we're talking about key fobs, did you know most have a mechanical key hidden inside? Pop that little latch on the side and voila! Emergency access when your batteries die. It's keyception, people. It's not just a party trick either. This brain hack works because about 85% of your brain is made of water, which conducts electromagnetic signals beautifully. Next time you're stuck in a massive mall parking lot, this little trick could save you from walking in circles for half an hour. Plus, knowing about that hidden mechanical key could save your entire day when your fancy electronic fob decides to die at the worst possible moment. Most people panic and call roadside assistance, but now you'll just smile knowing. Secret number 1. Remote window controls. Ever wished you could cool down your car before getting in on a scorching summer day? With most modern cars, you actually can. On Kias, Volkswagens, and Hyundais, press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds and watch as your windows magically roll down from a distance. Honda and Volvo owners, you've got it even easier. Press unlock once, then press and hold. No remote button? No problem. Insert your key in the driver's door lock. Turn to unlock, then turn and hold clockwise to lower windows. Turn and hold the opposite way to close them up. This feature isn't just about comfort. It's practically a lifesaver in extreme heat. A car sitting in the sun can reach internal temperatures of 130 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit within minutes. Being able to vent that heat before you and your family get in could prevent discomfort or even heat-related health issues. And for the parents out there, imagine never again having to slide into a scorching, hot car with your kids screaming because their car seat buckles are hot enough to brand cattle. Just activate those windows from a safe distance. Let the inferno vent for a minute or two, and you'll be everyone's hero. Your passengers will think you've upgraded to a fancy climate-controlled luxury vehicle without spending a dime.